What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. NitraaB, if you ever care to take the time to watch this video, thank you so much. I really love and appreciate you. Thank you for inspiring me and so many thousands of others. This concealer is by Hello Fab, and it is the Bendy Avocado concealer, and it's in the shade number 5. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer and blend it all out with a fluffy blending brush. After using this concealer, and I used 2 layers of this concealer, I think at this moment I'm not digging it. I don't like it at all. It's way too thin and loose and watery. But I do know sometimes after you let a product sit and then you kind of revisit it, sometimes you'll be like, oh my gosh, like I can't believe I set this this product down, like it's amazing. I will revisit this maybe in a month or so and see if it does better, or it might work better for the face instead of the eyes, but it's just a little too loose and light for the eyes. I kind of like something a little more thick and creamier on the eyes to help grab my eyeshadows. I want to go into the crease with Show and Tell. I'm tapping the shade into my crease and really making sure to build up this color. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that matte pink shade called Lap of Luxury, just to kind of lighten it up a bit. And like I said, I kind of wanted mauve rosy tones with this look. So next I'm just going to take that beautiful shade called Queen E, and it's right here. It's called Queen E. Just going to take that and push it all over my brush, a flat shader brush, and just tap it all over. And I'm going to go into Rich is Better and just go ahead and deepen up the outer corner of the eye just by tapping it in. I'm using the shade F Frugal, and I'm just using that into the outer corner and the crease right there. Makeup Geek highlighter. I'm going to try to hold it up, but the pen is kind of falling out. There we go. Next, I'm applying the highlighter to all the places I usually apply it. Then I am taking a larger, fluffier blending brush to blend it all out to make it look really smooth. I'm applying my favorite brown lip liner. Oh my gosh, really pretty color. It's like a really nice nude. This whole little vault full of deck of Scarlet lip glosses. They're really, really pretty. So I'm probably going to take like this fiery orange color right here, or either this gold color right here, and I'm going to top my lips with it. I'm leaning more towards the fiery orange color. Oh my goodness, it just makes my lips look so juicy, So plump. Wow. Really, really loving that. I also have this Caviar Chrome Veil from Mercier. And it looks like this. And it's a really pretty iridescent color. So I just want a little extra pizzazz in the corner of my eye. Wow, it's looking really, really nice. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the QueenDollFacee family. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls. And until next time, hasta luego.